Hi guys, welcome to On Solar Engineering. So I just want to do a basic discussion on pole mounted transformers. Usually with a pole mounted transformer, you'd have an 11 kV delta configuration on the incomer, and on the secondary you'd have a star configuration. The difference between delta and star is the fact that delta always has a line to line voltage between each and every winding. Also, each and every line would distribute between two windings on the transformer, whereas you get your star, and between each winding you just find like phase voltage, right? So there are differences in their designs. But anyway, let's go look at what size fuses you'd be putting on the MV side, right? So you take 50,000 divided by square root 3 times 11,000, and this would give you the amount of line current that you would have in your system. So say it's around 2.6 amps, you take the 2.6 times 1.25 for the factor of 25% over overload, or 1.2 if you want 20% over overload, and now you have your fuse size ratings, and in my opinion, your maximum fuse size ratings. You can size them smaller, but then you always run the risk of blowing it. So 1.25 is pretty much industry standard. On the secondary, you'll do your connections from the four terminals. One will be live 1, live 2, and live 3, as well as neutral. You take it down to a box, you'd put it on a circuit breaker on the 3 phases. The neutral, you'd normally take directly to a neutral bar, bond it to ground, and then hit in an earth rod, and then basically just call it a done job. Anyway, that's the basics of transformers. They're some of the easiest things to understand in the game. Honestly, they really are, and their connections are the most simplistic in the game. It's literally like connecting a circuit breaker to a thing. But yeah, like I say, medium voltage makes a serious amount of money for how simplistic it is, but how dangerous it is at the same time.